Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Login. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to change your Netflix video quality. If you'd like to change the video quality of the Netflix contents that you are watching, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. To change your Netflix playback settings, go and click open a web browser first. Now, type in netflix.com into the search box and make your search. Sign into your Netflix account if you are not signed in. And from the home page of Netflix, click on your profile icon near the top right. Click on Account from the expanded menu, and from your account page, scroll all the way down under Profile and Parental Controls. Select your profile where you'd like to change your video quality for Netflix. After clicking on that, you should see an expanded menu appearing on the display. Now, go to Playback Settings and click it on. As you reach to the Playback Settings option, under Data User Per Screen, you'll be able to see 4 options, that is Auto, Low, Medium, and High. To change your video quality on Netflix to High, click on Pick the High option and you'll be able to stream best video and audio quality for Netflix. If you'd like to use the basic video quality, click on the Low option, and similarly if you'd like to watch with the standard quality, pick Medium. Make your selection and click on the circle, and finally click on Save in order to save your changes. That is how you can easily change your video quality on Netflix. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.